So, quick vlog, boys. So, yesterday we had to leave Susie behind at my lola's place since she didn't want to start after 5 tries of cranking the engine, since I don't know kung bad starter, pero surprisingly after a second crank nag-engage yung engine natin and it started right now. So dadalhin ko na siya sa GAT Performance since I'm not taking any risks to DIY this kasi wala naman din yung tropa ko na marunong. So yeah, thankful for Susie na nag-start siya ngayon. Hindi na ako nagpato kasi extra gastos pa yon, and didn't let me hammer the starter rubber mallet, I mean, and yung touch the fuses. Pero yun, bro, that's G, man. Bam. STI gauge, brother. Yes, sir. Alright, so now we're on the way to GAT. We're in BF Homes already, so let's G. There natin, boy. Is a little sluggish since di ko na siya na-relearn after troubleshooting the battery. So ayun, I'm just going on a steady 2k RPM shifts. Hindi ko siya pinapataas masyado since baka may magalaw ako. Yeah, so steady drivings now. Yes, sir. We're on the way to GAT. On the way to GAT, my friend. So, ayun. Hopefully, walang tao sa GAT. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Here, bro. Yo, we at GAT Performance, bro. Shout out. So pinabahay si Susie solenoid pati spark plugs. Ito nabenta na yung Forester. Sir, oh, ganda, boy. Damn. Turbo Forester. W Forester. Ganda na tayo. Dinis, grabe.
din yun, boss.
Alright, so Susie's back, boys! And ayun, ito yung total natin, 13k kung kita nyo, for a starter solenoid and spark plugs na NGK Iridium. So this is from GAT Performance. So ayun lang naman, they're located at BF Homes Parañaque, Elzalde Street. So hit them up pag kailangan nyo talaga ng emergency or mabilisan, kaya din nila. So ayun, yun lang naman. Pero mind you, if you don't have the budget, mas okay mag DIY. Pero ayun nga, let's G boys, we out bruh.